How to turn off YouTube thumbnail preview. So hello guys and welcome back to today's video. In today's video, let's teach you how you will be able to disable the thumbnail preview such as this one over here, as you can see, which plays when you hover over a specific video, which can be annoying when you're browsing your different videos in your YouTube. So to be able to disable this, simply go to your profile over here on the bottom right. As you can see, it has the label you. And in this page, we're going to look over here on the top right. On the top right, you have settings. Simply select that, and you will be able to see here all kinds of settings that we have. Simply select General under Account over here. And over here, look for the option Playback in Feeds. Simply select this and click Off, which will now turn off that playback feature. So if we go back here, even if we hover, it's no longer going to play the video. So that's basically it, guys. So that's basically it, guys. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.